there, Chelsea Kenyon here. I'm so glad that you found my video. So I'm gonna get straight to the point. In 2018, I was able to lose nearly 60 pounds. In fact, I lost 20 pounds in the first month, 10 pounds the following month, and then more after that. I used a combination of nutrition and neuroscience to rewire my brain. Once I did that, the weight started melting off. And I would love to share with you exactly how I did it and how I help my students achieve results just like that. So I invite you to watch my free training where I share 3 tips that you can start using right away. Okay, so 3 actual neuroscience and brain rewiring strategies that you can start implementing to start losing weight immediately. I know it's kind of a pain to get off of YouTube and go navigate somewhere else, but I promise you it is worth your time. And it's super easy to do. Just head on over to my website, www.chelseakenyon.com, and that's Chelsea with an I-E, so that's C-H-E-L-S-I-E, and then Kenyon is K-E-N-Y-O-N, so chelseakenyon.com. I've also put the link below this video, so all you have to do is navigate down into the description box and find the direct link there, and then it just takes one click for you to find that free training. So head on over to my website and get your hands on that free training while it's still available. And I cannot wait to help you get to your ideal weight, all by using your brain.